In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Coinbase Statement 2025. Whether you need a clean record for taxes, bookkeeping, or just peace of mind, I'll walk you through the exact path in the Coinbase web experience and share a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Coinbase. In the results, select the official Coinbase site. Make sure you see the secure lock icon in the address bar so you know you're on the legitimate page. Once the site loads, sign into your account. Enter your credentials as you normally would, and if you use two-factor authentication, complete that prompt. Keep your login details private and avoid accessing financial accounts on public Wi-Fi. After you're in, look to the top corner of the page for your profile icon. It may be your initials or a small avatar. Click that to open the account menu. From the menu, choose Settings. This opens a dashboard with your account controls. Inside Settings, find and select Go to Accounts. This takes you to the area that groups your account details and related documents. In the Accounts section, click Statements. This is where Coinbase aggregates downloadable records tied to your account activity. Here you'll have the option to save or download your statement in several formats: HTML, PDF, or CSV. HTML is best for quick viewing in a browser. PDF preserves layout and is widely accepted by accountants and auditors. CSV is ideal if you want to analyze transactions in a spreadsheet or import data into bookkeeping software. Pick the format that fits your needs, then click Generate. Coinbase will prepare the file. Larger histories can take a moment. When it's ready, your browser will either start the download automatically or prompt you to save the file. Check your Downloads folder if you don't see it right away. Consider renaming the file with the month or year so it's easy to find later, and store it in a secure folder or cloud drive with backups. That's all there is to it. You searched for Coinbase, logged in, opened your profile, went into Settings, navigated to Accounts, clicked Statements, selected a format, and generated your document. If the interface looks slightly different, the labels may have moved, but the flow will be the same. Thanks for watching, and keep your records organized and secure.